I'm just trying to see a better day. Make sure that my kids are straight and make sure that my family's straight. Stay up on my paper tape. Daddy, what we eating today? Baby, we gon' eat some steak. You know I work hard for this. You know I put my heart in it. Don't ever give them boy no kid. That's how you help a baby. Then they just gon' leave you with the baby. And always keep that scrap. Keep it all safety. Watch out for these in the they be snaking. And if they try to...
What's up with YouTube? So, I've been sitting up here like thinking, like my little baby, Treasure, her birthday coming up or whatever, February the 16th. We've been thinking about, you know, doing a little photo shoot, which, you know, she always, you know, get a little photo shoot or whatever. You know, her dad, you know, he is raw with the camera or whatever. You know, so we asked her what she wants to do for her birthday or whatever. And she said she want to do Barbie. She want to do the theme Barbie. So I said, okay. So I'm going to do a Barbie photo shoot and a Barbie party. She's going to have a Barbie cake. The whole theme going to be Barbie. So that's what we doing. So I was looking for a Barbie box. Like you know, to take a photo in. Like a Barbie box, and I seen one online. It was like $80. I said, well, you know, I can buy this. I said, you know, I was gonna order the one that I seen online, but I went on YouTube, you know, and I said, well, you know, I seen the one that I was gonna order. I said, well, maybe I can make this myself. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, like maybe I can make it, you know, like better than the one, you know, because it's just look like cardboard, like a cardboard box or whatever. You probably can pull it up. But anyway, I went on YouTube and I was checking it out, and I seen that the Tayra Perez project. I seen that the Tayra Perez, she had made her own box or whatever. And she had went to Hobby Lobby, and it's also other, you know, YouTubers on there that done the box. So I said, well, you know, maybe this would be a good little project for me to do, you know, since we under quarantine and everything. So I said, let me try this out, you know. So I'm finna show y'all what I came up with, and I think it may come out good. I mean, you know, I am a man. It's my first time doing this, you know, but it's a nice little project for me, you know, to check out, you know, since I'm quarantining anyway. All right, guys, let's get to it. Now, I'm going to show y'all what I'm working with. Now, I went and got these letters. I got these letters, and I already started doing what I'm doing. I got these letters from Hobby Lobby. I got everything I got from Hobby Lobby. And I forgot the exact price on these letters, but they're not much, and they're foam. And see, what I'm doing, I'm making them white. I'm making them white. Like I wanted them to be like white. Well, you know, I'm seeing how it's gonna go or whatever, but they're gonna be kind of color coordinated. I'm gonna go on the side and, you know, try to make it all white. Try to make them all white. I couldn't find none, or I probably could, but I liked the 3D letter. See, these 3D, they're gonna stand out a little more. So I got those, and this is what I'm putting on. Putting the glitter on, diamond glitter. As you see, it's $5.99. And I got some glue, some foam glue, tacky glue, and I'm putting the glue on there, and I got me a brush, and I'm spreading the glue out and sprinkling this on there, so y'all can watch me with this. I'm gonna do this, and this may be a little journey, like, you know, because I got like 3 weeks to have it ready, so I'm gonna keep y'all updated with everything though. Alright, guys.
You can be 20 deep. I'm coming by myself. These streets see a better day. Make sure that my kids are straight and make sure that my family's straight. Stay up on my paper tape. Daddy, what we eating today? Baby, we gon' eat some steak. You know I work hard for this, you know I put my heart in it. Don't ever get them boy no kid, that's how you help a baby. Then they just gon' leave you with the baby. And always keep that scrap. Keep it all safety. Watch out for these niggas and these bitches, they be snaking. And if they try to play you, I'm coming like Lamb Neeson, off taking. No knife, I ain't Jason. And ain't no love in these streets, man, they out here faking. Trying to see how much money you're making and how you're making it.
These streets don't love you, so get your money on me, quit playing yourself. These streets don't love you, you can be 20 deep, I'm coming.
And as you see, this is how it came out so far. I don't know if I'm gonna try to get the sides or whatever. You know, like, I don't know if I'm gonna worry about the color that's on the sides. What I think I'm gonna do is just leave it like that. I mean, it put a little extra twist to it, you know. I mean, you don't have to do it. I mean, it's just something that I done. You know, I don't know if I'm gonna get all in the sides and everything. Like, the most part is done. I think that's gonna be kind of neat right there. It's gonna be kind of, you know, glossy, glittery, shiny. You know, like diamonds in it. So yeah, I'm gonna update you guys with the next part. Yeah, I like that. I think it's gonna look real good on the box. Okay, I got smooth foam. As you see, it's $5.99. Well, it comes with 2 in the pack, as you see. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna glue 2 of these together. I'm gonna glue 2 of these together, like side by side with my hot glue gun. And I got others. I got what? It's a 2-pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5, just in case I needed, you know, some extra with how I'm gonna do it. So here goes nothing. I got my hot glue gun, as you see. $7.99 for this foam, and this foam stick glue gun. Foam stick.
These streets don't love you. No, they don't. No, they don't. These streets don't love you. No, they don't. No, they don't. Never did, never will. I ain't come up in this world by myself. I had a twin brother, I'm just the only one left. But I know he watch me when I step. But still I got that Nina on my left. And we can get it poppin' like Black Red and Kenny Pelt back in 1997. But I'ma get it poppin' by myself. I know you only want me for my wealth. But I also know I got that money by myself. So I'ma spend my money by myself. So you can take a step, yeah, to the left. And you know I got my scrap, so you better watch your step. And my 30 clip in case your nigga wanna help. I promise I won't leave him by myself. These streets don't love you, so get your money on me, quit playing yourself. These streets don't love you, you can be 20 deep, I'm coming by myself. These streets don't love you. No, they don't. No, they don't. These streets don't love you. Never have, never did, never will. These streets don't love you, so get your money on me, quit playing yourself. These streets don't love you, you can be 20
got this piece of glass right here. It was $6.99. Well, it's not actually glass. It's like I can't really tell you what material it's made out of, but anyway, you know, it's kind of like see-through. It'll give it that look. Well, as you can see, it got that's actually plastic over it. It's not damaged or anything. But yeah, it's gonna give it that plastic, like, you know, box type look, like real. It's gonna give it that realness looking, you know. It's a little longer than the actual phone, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably cut this probably gonna cut probably this much off of it, and that way, you know, I'm kind of like center it off, cause like really what's gonna happen is I'm gonna get another box. Well, I'm gonna get another piece of foam, and I'm gonna glue this to the sides. I'm gonna glue this to the sides of it, and I'm gonna show you the rest. Show you what else I got. And I got this bulletin board paper, and it was $9.99. But this is what I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna wrap it with this. I'm gonna wrap it with this. So yeah, it's gonna look pink. And then this matches right up with the length of the matches right up with the length of the board, the phone board. So it's kind of like right on the money. But I gotta see, I gotta figure it out which way I'm gonna go with it. But from the looks of it, I think it's gonna be nice, man, when I get done with it. Y'all stay tuned. I gotta figure out how to cut this piece of plastic glass or whatever it is. I gotta figure it out. Don't beat me up about not knowing what it's called or anything. I don't do this type of stuff. This is new to me. Okay. I don't know what's the proper way to cut this glass looking piece, but I'm gonna use some scissors, and I don't really got any scissors. I'm just using what I got. You know what I'm saying? I'm improvising right now. So y'all bear with me. Hopefully this works out. I'm gonna cut like on the inside. What I'm gonna get a marker, and I'm gonna mark the outside of this glass so I can know where I want to cut my window out. Wherever I mark at, I'm gonna go probably about 1 inch inside of the mark. That's why I'm gonna glue my glass on this side of the panel. So that's how I'm gonna go about that. Well, I don't know if I want to put my paper on there right now or not yet. I think what I'm gonna do, let me see. What I'll do, I'll get right back with y'all. Let me figure this out, and then I'll get right back with you on what route I'm gonna go as far as that. As you see, I got the glass in. It's glued down. Got the glass in. It's glued down. See, there's plastic on the glass, whatever kind of glass that is. But it's plastic or whatever. But it's real clear when I pull that the plastic off the glass is gonna be real clear. So, you know, so I got the window part, the front. I started with that, so I'm gonna put the sides on it. You know, I'm gonna keep building it up. I'm gonna keep building it up. I'm gonna glue the sides. Then I'm gonna make a top, and then I'm gonna glue it back. I'm not gonna do a bottom. I'm gonna just do like, I'm gonna make a top and sides. I'm gonna close it in. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just like, we're gonna pick it up and put it like while my daughter's standing there, we're gonna put it over the top of her. You know, so like, you know, it's not gonna have a bottom. That's gonna be, you know, the end part. You know, so like while she's standing there, we just gonna put it over the top of her. It's gonna be like she really just in a box, you know. Alright, you guys. This the finished product. I got some more little stuff airy about, like some little Barbie stuff. This for a little party, a birthday party. But yeah, this how the Barbie came out. Like, it just added diamonds to the color of the letters. They didn't do nothing. They didn't turn out white how I thought they would, but that still look good. I like that little look anyway. But yeah, this is it. This the box, the dollhouse, doll box. This is it. Leave me some comments. Leave me some comments. Let me know how I did. What y'all think? Let me know what y'all think.
I'm just trying to see a better day. Make sure that my kids are straight and make sure that my family's great. Stay up on my paper tape. Daddy, what we eating today? Baby, we gon' eat some steak. You know I work hard for this. You know I put my heart in it. Don't ever give them boy no kid. That's how you help a baby. Then they just gon' leave you with the baby. And always keep that scrap. Keep it all safety. Watch out for these in the they be snaking.